Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a quiche from scratch. First, let's prepare our flaky crust. You'll need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cold, unsalted butter cut into small pieces, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix these ingredients until crumbly, then add about 6 to 8 tablespoons of ice water until a dough forms. Chill it for at least 30 minutes. Now, let's create the rich and creamy filling. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs, 1 1/2 cups of whole milk, and 1/2 cup of heavy cream. This forms the perfect base. Next, stir in your desired fillings like 1 cup of shredded Gruyere cheese and 1/2 cup of sautéed spinach. Season generously with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg for depth. With your crust ready, roll it out to a 12-inch circle and carefully fit it into a 9-inch pie plate. Trim any excess dough, leaving about a 1/2 inch overhang. Now, pour your delicious filling into the prepared crust. Bake the quiche in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes, or until the center is set and the top is beautifully golden brown. Once baked, it's crucial to let your quiche cool for at least 10 to 15 minutes before slicing. This allows the filling to fully set, ensuring perfect slices every time. Quiche is wonderful served warm or at room temperature, making it ideal for any meal. For more great tips and other deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade quiche.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.